Hi guys. So, my name's Andrew, and growing up, I was always very self-conscious of my teeth. I didn't like how they looked, and I was always embarrassed to smile. I started smoking at the age of 18, which I still do. I'm hopefully going to quit soon, and that did some damage. And also the fact that I'm a recovering addict, I had years of drug use, which contributed to my teeth being bad. Since I got clean 3.5 years ago, I've done my best to try to restore my teeth, and I've had no luck, really. So I came across pop-up veneers, and I was just utterly amazed. I mean, literally, you just pop these things in, and voila. I mean, it's that simple. It's that perfect. You know, takes a little bit getting used to as far as talking, but other than that, I couldn't ask for more. So thank you, pop-up veneers, for making my dreams come true.